read about the part where the carpenter cleared the temple. For the buyers and the sellers are no different fellas than what I profess to be. And it causes me shame to know we're not the people we should be.